lifestyle vlogs. All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Add a little bit of oil, just to as a moisturizer. You don't have to do this on your natural skin, so just to make sure things are not falling off whilst applying the makeup. Apply very gently, just don't pour a lot, because after you're going to be overwhelmed when you want to do your corrections. The foundation to be over the top, Finish. I'm still carrying on with this, so you build it up gradually. You see, it's all about building up gradually. If you're doing your own face, you're gonna obviously be careful with your eyes and so on and so forth. But this is a doll, so I've got that possibility of just, browsing through. Okay, you can see she's very, see the difference between these two here. So now we're gonna go for the cheek, highlighting the cheek with something totally, a little bit browny. Because this is not a real human skin, so you're gonna have some discrepancies here and there. Just follow the movement of the brush and apply as you go. I'm gonna correct certain things, so I'll be coming back in a sec. I'm pretty much finished with the cheek. Alright, it's pretty gentle what we're doing. Alright, we are not overpowering the face, because everything has to blend in. Normally a makeup's supposed to be barely visible in your face. I'm just gonna go over it and just blend that. Instead of using a concealer, you can just go back with the original brush, the one that you started your foundation with. It can be a brush or a foam, and you just blend everything back together. Alright, I'll do the eyebrows now. And, I'm gonna go with a darker shade.
Space melody on the beat.
So build up gradually. Alright, you have to build it up gradually. I'm gonna correct it with this. I'm gonna do some correction with that. Just more gently. So everything is done gradually as usual. Alright, just be patient. And you get relatively what you're going for.
Space.
Alright, that's the correction. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go back with the brush and continuously just blend things in again and again and again. This will take you barely 10 minutes to do. Alright. So now I'm going to move on to the eyeliners. Alright. Right here, the contour, the eyeliners. Okay. Yeah, let's get on with it. So I'm gonna keep it all dark, black. Okay, pretty simple. You can use this type of brush to achieve that. So I'm deliberately gonna have everything blacked out, Egyptian style, if you can call that like that. As usual, just be gentle. Alright, don't want to look like a clown. That is the basics. you find out that this thing is falling off a little bit. It's because this is not human skin. On the human skin, you'll see a different. I will be doing a full tutorial on a human skin, and you'll be able to see the difference. Okay, so this is what we have achieved so far. Already done with that, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Alright, very gentle. Hope you're loving what you're seeing so far. So now I'm going to move on and get down to business with the eyeshadows. Okay, the eyeshadows. You're going to build that up gradually. I'm going to go with a shade that's similar to what I've used here, golden, but a little much more turned down. So as usual, we're going to be building things up gradually.
Space melody on the beat.
It's a very, very, very toned down makeup style tutorial that I'm just showing you. Alright, with this you can go anywhere with this. You can go to a dinner party. You can go to your, your daily activities without the strain. And this could be done in less than 10 minutes. So take your time and build things up, because if you put too much in one go, it's very hard to correct afterward. So we just want to build that up nice and gently to achieve the goal. So this part is pretty much it. Alright, I'm going to do a couple of shots afterwards to show you the full detailing of the face. Alright, things are pretty much turned down to the extent that you're not even able to see what have been done. But this is how you want your makeup to look like. So what I'm going to do now, with the same color that I've used here, I'm going to go here just to give this area a little bit of clarity. Go a little bit in there, not too much, just to keep things nice and even. Now we're gonna move to the lips. Yeah. We could have gone for brownie lips, but I'm gonna go for reddish, and I'll turn it down afterward. All right. So now let's focus on the lips. Okay. So let's see you have one of these. All you need to do, as usual, start building it up gradually. Or if you are a pro, you don't need to build nothing gradually, right? Okay, so this is the tutorial, and a quick tutorial by the way, for those of you out there that want to learn how to do things moderately in terms of makeup. All right, so I think I already have a little bit of my dose right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend all that in with a brush. I'll show you that in a sec. Alright, so it's all about being moderate. So this is the mark, by the way. I'm gonna leave all the product that I've used on screen right down below, so you can push essay anytime you want to. Other than that, let's get back at it. So one of these will do just fine. I've got something like this, which is very, very tiny, which is very, very tiny. It's pretty time consuming. So I'm just gonna use something which is much, much bigger. All right. So we are going to apply this gently. So if you see that darker shade effect that is happening right now on screen, it's simply because I added a little bit of black palette. So we're just gonna make sure that everything stays in place. All right, I'm gonna do the whole lips just to save myself the trouble, but for now, as you can see, I'm just doing one side of the face. Okay, so if you're fond of what we're doing right now, just guys, do the right thing and thumbs up the video, share it if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. It's pretty much done, you know. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Most of you that have been applying makeup for, you know, a long period of your life now, you definitely do know how to apply lipstick. So make sure your brush goes in one way, you know, mostly, because if you go the other way around, you're gonna clear. So what we'll be doing now is correcting what I've done so far in terms of the lips and the total, you know, whatever that have been done today. I'm gonna correct everything quickly with my trusty
space.
So I'm gonna go around once again with the main brush, which I started with. Okay, the foundation brush. I call it foundation brush. You call it whatever you want. I call it foundation with the foundation brush, the main foundation brush, by the way, not the detailing one. And you know, I'm gonna go around the face and you know, correct, you know, blend everything in. All right, just gonna blend every other thing in there, just making sure everything is in place and where it should be. So it shouldn't be, you know, the secret of this is don't start too heavy. If you start heavy, you're gonna be struggling afterward to correct, and you know, gonna take too long, too much time. Start gently, which means build it up gradually, you know, because you're already beautiful. You know, you're already beautiful. You're just adding up a little touch. This was a quick tutorial of how to, you know, how to do a quick makeup. Okay, very, very quick makeup. This will take you less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on your level, you know. Okay, keeping it simple, tone down makeup. You name it yourself, you know what I mean. I call it tone down. All right, tone down. All right, pretty simple and pretty effective. Believe me, you can go anywhere with this. Doesn't matter. I did not use 10 million products. All right, and everything is done, you know, nice and organically. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, I hope that you have enjoyed this and that it was helpful. I will leave you with more shot. Thanks for watching. Shall see you on the next one. Take it easy out there. Keep it late, keep it safe as usual, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Peace. Love you all here and we love your support. Thumbs up the video though. Thumbs up the video. Drop one of these.
Space melody on the beat. Space melody on the beat. Space, 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 space melody on the beat.